It's your life and wealth coach, Coach Rophe, back at it again. And in this video, guys, I will be talking about using life insurance as leverage. So, my mentor in the life insurance industry gave me a certain homework. Doing that homework gave me a fresh perspective when it comes to life insurance. This might be obvious to most of you, yet it was mind-blowing for me. Life insurance can be used as leverage. Yes, leverage. Leverage in terms of money to be used for health. I'm talking about life insurance policies wherein you can claim for a major/minor critical illness. So if you are someone who is willing to pay a certain amount of money for a certain period of time to avoid having to come up with a large sum of money on your own if ever an emergency were to happen, you'll have an easier time building wealth because you'll be using the life insurance you have to cover your emergency bills and etc. Then you can use the other money that you have to invest in your own growth as a person, buy up certain assets that you're interested and know about, and etc. However, keep in mind that you ought to continually increase the life insurance coverage that you have in order to keep up with inflation. Because a 500,000 life insurance claim today might be good today. However, 10 years from now, I am certain that that is no longer going to be the case. So that is why you ought to continually increase as time goes by the life insurance coverage that you have. And as always, if you want to work with me on a personal level, my social media are linked in the description below. That's it for today's video, guys. Peace out.